like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.
Nice day for a hike today. A little breezy, but I'm on my way back to some place that I've never been before. See if I can spot myself out a place to put up a base camp, do a little lunch. Check with you up there. Alright, so I'm way out in the middle of nowhere. Well, not really in the middle of nowhere. I know where I'm at. And I'm walking through the trail back in the woods. And I come up on a nice little clearing. And right next to the clearing is this. Look at that. I don't know what this was, but this is almost a base camp waiting for me. There's no footprints, there's no horse prints, there's no bike tire prints, there's nothing. Look at this, the makings of an excellent base camp. Oh man, I'm gonna start expanding this. Probably not today. Now that I know where it is, it's a little warm. It's about 80 degrees today. And I'm kind of hungry. It's almost lunchtime. I'm gonna go back and get a little lunch, but I'm only about 100 yards or 50 yards from a river. And it's kind of, I think it's brackish water, but you could see the fish in it. And it's really, really cool. So I didn't bring my fishing rod today, and that, look back there, that's gonna be so cool. I'm gonna make a base camp out here. No one's gonna know where this is. I mean, this is, and it's kind of on, you see behind me, this is kind of a bottomland. It slopes from the pine flats all the way down here to the river. The river's got about 20-foot high banks on it. Right in front of me, it drops down significantly and looks like it gets real swampy, but this is nice and high and dry and some pines. And look at this structure. This is almost made for me. All I gotta do is bring out some rope, a couple of nails, reconfigure this a little bit, and I don't know what it was. It doesn't look like there's been any horse activity or anything. This could be a lot of years old. So, and there's nothing around here. No footprints, no nothing. This is gonna be my base camp. So stay with me on future videos. We are gonna be building this into a base camp. Getting warm today. This is a really cool pack that I've been using lately. This is the Outdoor Products Quest Day Pack. I'll do a review on it later, but this is a really comfortable pack for what it is. You know, it's a $20 pack, and it's got these nice zipper pulls on it and stuff. Let's get out our stuff. Alright, this is going to qualify as a Canteen Cup Tuesday, I think. I'm probably not going to publish this until Tuesday. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I've got me some Dinty Moore beef stew, extra large. 1,500 milligrams of sodium in that. Going to accompany it with some Lay's in my old trusty canteen cup and my gas stove. So let's get cooking. Alright. Stove is great. Nice and breezy today. Yummy. Oh. This is before cooking. go. All right. Dinty beef stew. Man. Fire sauce, pretty good. One's definitely not enough. This Dinty Moore, it ain't got much taste. So, gotta have something to fire it up. Alright. Alright. We got beef, and we got taters, and we got stew. It's not bad. Tater chips. Easy breezy today. I haven't been out in a couple of months. You know, job situation's been stupid. But 2019, resolution to do more videos and start doing more Canteen Cup Tuesdays. Because I miss it, I really do. My channel more than doubled. I mean, almost, my channel basically tripled in 2018. I went from 1,500 subscribers in December 2017 to just a little over 5,000 subscribers now, and that's all because of you, and all because of everybody that watches the videos. So I really appreciate it. I found a really good place to start making a base camp, I think. And I'm pretty far back. I haven't seen any footprints or any bike prints or any four-wheel prints. I haven't seen anything. So this is my first video on selecting a site. I got lucky and found an old structure, so I'm going to rebuild it. Camouflage it as best I can. It's only about maybe 100 yards, maybe 150 yards from this base camp location where there's a nice picnic table. Over my shoulder is a river. It's brackish water, and I can see saltwater and freshwater fish swimming in there. You know, I can see alligator gar, and I can see some bluegills, and then I can see some mullet, and I can see some big sheep's head about this long. So we're going to try to get some, when I get the base camp built, we're going to try to get some footage of fishing and catching some nice fish and have a nice fish fry out here. So I'm going to finish lunch. I'll take a hike back, and I'll catch up with you on the flip side trail.